Hi folks, I'm going to install a wiring for the light bar on my 2019 Kia Soul base model. I have this wire loom I originally bought to rewire my boat trailer, my everything trailer. Never got around to it. This is where I mounted my switch on the side of the console. The seat can go all the way up in the event a short driver needed to drive it. If I was unable to drive the car, someone could move the seat all the way up, and the switch is still operational. I got to cover this wire up. This is 1/4 inch. 1/4 inch that I got for the trailer. It won't fit over all of these wires, but I think it'll fit if I do them individually. Yep. Alright. Well, I'll get this in. Well, I will be installing a second set of lights. Right now I'm just installing a set of spot flood combos. I would like to possibly add some amber fog lights. So, as I said, this harness comes already with control two light bars. But I'm not using these right now, so I just taped them up with some electrical tape. And I'll run the loom right up, cover them up, because I'm just going to be using this end to connect to my lights, my light bar. This end will be through the firewall and plug into the other end of the harness that's connected to the rocker switch. This is all Nilight stuff. I know I just said that because of this small 1/4 inch loom I was going to have to wrap them individually. You can never accuse me of rehearsing for a video, because of course they have to be wrapped individually because they're going to 3 different directions. This one, the loom was the perfect size, by the way. This is the one that goes through the firewall and plugs into the rocker switch. This is a fuse to the power. You should always run a fuse, always run a relay. It can save you the electrical system in your car. This one will go to my light bar. I left a little extra on. And this was the pigtail shooting off for if I ever want to add a second set of lights. So, went on real easy. Looks real good. I gotta put some of this on the side that's connected to the switch, and then feed this through the firewall and hook it up and see if we got power. Okay, I got the wires all wrapped in the protective loom. This one's wrapped all the way up to the switch. That 1/4 inch was perfect for this wire. I was afraid it would be tight. It's gonna go through, well, the other one's gonna come through a hole in the firewall up there, and they'll meet under the console there somewhere. Here's the relay. These are power, fused power. This is the one that goes through the firewall right here. And this is the one for the light bar. They gave me enough for a truck, obviously. Truck or Jeep or a roof mount. Sorry, I've got a shadow cast all over you. So, it's really tight back there. So I'm going to turn this off because it's probably going to take me several tries to feed that. Barely fit your arm down in that little hole to get through to through the firewall there. So I'm going to pause this and we'll pick it up after I feed that through. I got it through on the first shot. So that one's already through the firewall. Relay, I think I'm going to mount possibly over here, right there. Power across, and then the lights. I'll pick it up when I'm hooking everything up. This is where the wire comes out of my console. I wish it was a few inches longer. Comes out close to the accelerator pedal. I'm going to pull the panel off here and tuck these wires up there real nice. But there's more than enough room. I've got a lot left in the engine bay on this end. I can pull this further if necessary. So there's the two ends. I'll get them tucked up under there. Here's my switch here. I had my wire here. I rerouted it. I had it coming out right here, and it was fairly close to my accelerator, and I was wishing it was a few inches longer. So what I did, I rerouted it. The console connects up here, so I just fed it up here and came at the top of the console instead of the front. And that gives me several more inches here. So I'm going to tuck it up under there nice and hook it up. Working on this wiring harness. Little dog's been in the shade because it was an 88-degree day down here. Little dog, Houdina. Say hello? No? Moment of truth. Wow, they work. They look very bright. I have to go out west on a dark road and check them out. Even compared to my headlights. The light bar is mounted. I'll see if I can show it to you here without casting too many shadows. Mounted, wired. This is the fused power for the light bar, the red and black one. This is for my trailer lights. The relay mounted right here, so it's close to the power from the battery and close to ground. And probably can't see it. I can't see anything on the screen because of the sun, but cable runs down there and right here down behind the grill and down to the light bar. Got it done. I don't like those two wires on top. I'm gonna redo it where they'll go down below and wire in down here somewhere. I don't like being visible like that. But that's gonna stay like that for. I went to take some video of a little dog, but She's camera shy, so she ran and hid. Little dog, you ready to go in? Ground's getting cold, huh? You've been out with me all day helping, except for about an hour when you went in the shade.